second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance.
Hey y'all, hey, so I'm pulling up to church and it is a gloomy, rainy, oh man, I gotta learn how to talk. But it's a gloomy, rainy day. I have an umbrella, so I came prepared. I was not playing because this silk press I have in my head right now, no water needs to touch it. Like not a drop of water needs to hit my head because it'll start to show its true colors, you know. This is the last Sunday of the year, y'all. I will probably do some recording as I'm in there, but I'm not gonna do too much recording. I'm not gonna vlog on my camera because when I'm in church, I like to zone in and, you know, focus only on God. I like to literally leave all distractions in the car. We have on a plain dress today. I'll talk to y'all when I get back.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake, been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment, it's the day that the Lord has made. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city.
Pause. Okay, so I know what you're thinking. Why is it in slow motion?
What's wrong with my phone? Is it my connection?
Is my phone lagging?
My stuff is tweaking.
And the answer to all of that is no. Sadly, I recorded my entire day's worth of vlog in slow motion. I was able to speed it up, but unfortunately my audio is gone. Well, for this day at least. So enjoy watching my day of errands to this wonderful mix-up of music. Okay, continue.
Oh my God.
Bring the alarm.
catch riding dirty. In the club before 11 o'clock, like I'm trying to catch a dime kinda early. Looking thick, her hair brown and curly. She love the way my ride shine and pearly. City boys that she fine and pretty, and the country boys that she fine and pretty. My pockets think it's green as curry, and the ladies know as soon as they see my jewelry. If being fresh to death is a crime, I think it's time for me to see the jury. Millionaires, they on the grind. Hustle like me is hard to find. I ain't really impressed. That's unless it's about some dollars. They don't need to call you fine. Know you be hearing that all the time. Watching you do your step. Do your step. Yep, it's going down.
Oh my God.
I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. I love you can't stand, and I try to be strong, but how much can I put your words on your life this time? And I hope you ain't lying, 'cause only the thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. I just wanna take you there. You don't gotta know where.
Hey y'all, it's the next day or whatever. It is the day before New Year's Eve, and I am heading to the gym right now so that I can get a good little workout in. So on today's agenda, we are going to the gym, and we are also going to go furniture shopping so I can get a couple things for my little content area. I'm about to start giving y'all some fashion hauls, and I'm so excited because I'll be having some cute pieces that I'll be wanting to share with y'all. Sorry y'all, I had to, but I'll be having some cute pieces that I've been wanting to share with y'all. So I'm gonna set up my little area at my house so I can get that going for y'all. So I'm gonna go to the furniture store. I actually need to go get my nails done like pronto. Like, look at that. That is a mess. Like, that's actually crazy. It's embarrassing. So I need to get my nails done. I think I got these done. When did I get these nails done? I want to say like before Christmas. Yeah, it was like the week of Christmas. And my nails grow like really fast. So I already need a fill-in. I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. I think I'm gonna go French. I don't know though, I'll see when I get there. I guess I will talk to y'all when I get there. Okay y'all, so I'm in the car and I'm listening to Bedrock or whatever by Lloyd. Y'all remember that song? So when Nikki part came on, do y'all remember? Do y'all remember how hype we was when her part came on? She ate down on her verse. I don't care what nobody say. That was when Nicki was like literally in her prime. Like Nicki ate, I don't give a damn, I don't give a damn. She was like, okay, I get it. Let me think. I guess it's my turn. Maybe it's time to put this on your sideburns.
I just wanna take you there. He don't gotta know where. Does he touch you here like this? Let me take the friction from your lips. And I'ma love you, girl, the way you need. Ain't no one gonna stop us. Ain't no one gonna stop us. And I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm the drug in your veins. Just fight through the pain. It's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need. What you need. What you need. What you. I'm what you need. What you need. What you need. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need. What you need. I'm what you need. I got everything you want with me. I do everything he does times 3. And he don't gotta know. I got you on the floor, doing things you never thought you'd do. Baby, leave the high heel shoes. 'Cause he's never playing looking better than me. I'm looking up at you, and I don't give a damn. Shawty, watch me knock your boots off. And I'ma love you, girl, the way you need. In my heart.
Good morning, y'all. It is New Year's Eve. Happy New Year's Eve. Oh my God, I could literally cry. Like, where did the year go, y'all? Happy New Year's Eve. Good morning, by the way. What is it? Happy Tuesday. So today, we have a client to do. It's also New Year's Eve, if you didn't know. I'm going to church at 10 p.m. tonight so we can celebrate the New Year's together. I'm on the way to my client right now. I have to stop and get some gas first because your girl is pushing it. All it takes is one time for you to run out of gas for you to like never do that again. I also want to say I had breakfast this morning, y'all. I had some oatmeal with some egg whites, and some fucker on TikTok told me to put egg whites in my oatmeal. Like, it just looked so good on TikTok. So I try it, and yeah, no, I had to throw the whole thing away. Like, it was disgusting. If you were thinking about putting egg whites in your oatmeal, don't do it. Like, it's not good. Just eat the oatmeal plain and then eat your egg whites on the side. But do not try to combine the two because it's not gonna work.
Like I said, down below here. We need 6, 7, 11.
Okay, y'all, so I'm leaving my appointment now. Everybody talking about they having plans for weekend. Well, they having plans for New Year's Eve, and it kind of makes me want to go out, y'all. Like, I'm gonna be real, but at the same time, the years that I spent New Year's Eve in church was the best years of my life. 2016, I know we're like leaving that in the past, but 2016 was like the best year of my life because I went to church on that New Year's Eve. I just pulled up to this nail salon. I'm going to this lady that did these nails. She did a really good job. I'm gonna show her a picture. I think I'm gonna do either. So cute, like that is so me. This pattern is so me. I'm gonna show her this one at first, but if she don't think she can do that, then I'm just gonna do the basic French. You can't go wrong with a French set, like you really can't. But then again, some people still don't be getting it. So, and I like the white part to be rounded like that. I don't want it straight across. They be trying to give you that straight line Don't play with me. If she can't do a good French set, then I guess all white. Like, I don't really know. I just need to get this off of my nails. Like, I need a new set. Bad.
They do nail.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do the one they do nail.
Is that Gucci?
Yeah.
Out in Gucci with it. I know that's right. That boy getting him some shoes. Oh, was that here?
Yeah.
So cute. Say hey.
Alex, Appts. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, was me up.
Hello.
He snapped on my nails. He did such a good job. What's your name?
My name is Danny.
Danny. Thanks, Danny.
He was like, ever good enough. Good boys are way up. Good boys are way up. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boys are way up. Good boys are way up. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy.
Okay, y'all, so I just pulled up to church. This is the fit. I'll show y'all more of a view. Yeah, I'll be recording off my phone because, like I said earlier, I'm not going to be taking this camera in there. We got about 2 more hours. 2 more hours.
I made it for nothing, no turn into something from nothing, yeah. Made it through property, on that minority, you know the story. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away. Fly, fly, fly away. Call me a president, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah. My niggas can't whip me, yeah. The richest, the richest, the richest, yeah. Rich nigga got us on 6, yeah. All of these hoes came with it, yeah. All them over get a game.